Now this fence is old. The wood is rotted in a lot of areas. Has a lot of cracks. Extra hardware's had to been installed to keep everything together. So naturally, they're not expecting a miracle, but they would like to get things cleaned up and looking a little bit better. So we're going to come around the side here. We will treat this and let it soak while we're doing other areas. Alright, for those of you who like to watch the content to learn something, what we're doing right now is just a quick ball valve rinse on all of this wood. As you can see, we're getting a lot of the surface layer stuff off without a bunch of pressure. Now, we're doing two things here. One, we're wetting down the wood so that the chemical is working on the surface. But two, we're also wetting down the grass and everything around it so that the chemical doesn't harm any of the landscaping. So we're just going to make a quick run of all of this, and then we're going to come through with the 12 volt. We'll put a nice mix on here, and then we're going to let it sit while we do everything else. Then we'll come back through with a rinse at the end. So I'm going to switch this over to a time lapse, and you guys can follow along. Now you can see what a quick rinse did to the fence. We got all the loose organic matter off, allowing us to get the chlorine to the surface that needs to be cleaned. So we're going to grab our 12-volt system. We're going to put a solution of chlorine on there, and we're going to let this sit for a while as we do other parts of today's service. So we're going to angle our gun, get back there behind all these boards, and then we will go back through the other direction so that we get nice even coverage on everything. We're also going to make sure we get underneath the boards. But as you can see, this progress will take place almost immediately. We're going to see near instant results on everything. But as this dries, it's going to continue to get even better. So I'm going to get this on the tripod. We'll do a time lapse for the rest of it, and you can see how it changes. And there you have it. It is not 100% dry yet, so it will lighten as it continues to dry. But that is a substantial difference from what we saw earlier today.